Hey there! Are you trying to keep your messy background out of sight during a WhatsApp video call on your Samsung phone? You're in the right place. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to change your background during a WhatsApp video call on your Samsung device. Let's dive in. First, open the Settings app on your Samsung phone. Next, scroll down a bit until you find the Advanced Features option. Then tap on Advanced Features to access more settings. Scroll down. Keep scrolling until you see Video Call Effects. Tap on Video Call Effects. This option lets you adjust your call settings. Make sure to turn on the feature to enable video call effects. Choose your background. Pick your preferred background effect, whether it's a color or an image. Next, open the WhatsApp app and start a video call with someone. Once the call starts, look for the virtual video camera icon on your screen. Then tap on the video camera icon to access more background options. Now, select Background. Choose the background option under the Reset All button. Explore your options. You'll see a range of options like blur, color, and image. If you prefer a plain color, choose the color option and pick a color you like, such as red, green, or purple. Or if you prefer a background image, tap on Image and choose an image from your gallery. Now, pick your image. Select an image you like and tap Done at the bottom. And that's it! You have successfully set up a new background for your WhatsApp video call on your Samsung phone. If you found this guide useful, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in.